Hello my dear students, welcome back to your online maths class. So students, in previous class we had completed page number 3 and 4. Okay, so today we will start page number 5. So take your book and open page number 5. So students, tell me, have you completed this work? Very good. Students, this is your page number 5. Okay, and this is your new topic, place value. Place value. Okay. The numbers 34 and 43 have 2 digits. 34 and 43 have 2 digits, means ones tens and ones ones. 3 is one in ones and 4 in tens, means 2 digit numbers. Na? Understood all of you? The digits are in different place in the two numbers, so they have different values. The position of a digit in a number gives it a place value. So students, place value means place of the digit in number. Place of the digit in number. Okay. Like this, here 3 tens and 4 ones make 34. 3 tens and 4 ones make 34. Means 30 plus 4 equal to 34. So in 34, 3 is in the tens place and 4 is in the ones place. And listen, students, listen to me carefully. Tens is always the left side. Okay, tens is always the left side and ones is always the right side. Understood all of you? Very good. Now in this, like this, in 34 3 is in 10 place, means left side na, so 3 is in 10 place. Okay, next one 4 left and right side, so 4 is in the ones place. Understood all of you? What is the place value? Very good. Children, listen to me carefully. We can write 30 if 3 is in the tens place in 34, then we can write place value of 3 is 30. Place in 34, the place value of 3 is 30. Okay, and place value of 4 is 4, because 4 is in ones place na, so 4, and 3 is in place value, 3 is in tens place, so place value of 3 is 30, because tens place na, so 30. Okay, understood all of you, everyone? If you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay, understood all of you, na? Very good. Like this, look this second example in 43. So in 43, 4 is tens and 3 is ones. Okay, so 43, if 4 is tens, so place value of 4 is 40, because it's tens na, and 3 is in ones, so place value of 3 is 3. Look here, in 43 the place value of 4 is 40 and the place value of 3 is 3. So understood all of you? The place value of 4 is 40 and place value of 3 is 3 in 43. Understood? How will you find place value of tens place and ones place? Very good. Next one, look here. Here we have some fill in the blanks, means some questions, okay, related to place value. Here we have some questions related to place value. Okay, so in these questions we have to find place value of the numbers. Understood? So again, first one is done for us, for example. Then we will start from second. The digit in the ones place of 19 is. Now the digit in the ones place of 19 is. So look here 19. This is 19. Then ones place ones is always the right side now. So what is right side is 9. It's ones and it's tens. And question is the digit in the ones place of 19 is, so answer is 9. Okay, and its place value and place value of ones is 9, because if 3 is on in ones place in 43, then place value of 3 is 3 na. So if 9 is ones place is in 19, then place value of 9 is 9. Understood, all of you? Now students, let's start new question. The digit in ones place of 27, so answer is 7, because look here 27 7, and place value of 7 is 7 because is in ones place. Okay, now students, after this question, next one, the digit in the tens place of 27, then tens place means 27, and this is ones and this is tens. So digit in tens place of 27 is 2, and place value of tens place is 20. Everyone know na, place value of tens place is 20, and 7 7. Understood, all of you? Very good. Next one, the place value of 6 in 63. So what is the place value of 6 in 63? Tell me, what is the place value of 6 in 63? Yes, very good. 60, because 6 is in 10 place in 63. Because 6 क्योंकि 6 10 प्लेस पर है ना 63 में, इसीलिए 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी 60. ओके, एंड द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 इज इन 63. अब 63 में 3 कहाँ पर है, वंस प्लेस पर, तो 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी स्टूडेंट्स 3. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू ना? वेरी गुड. द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 8 in 98 is, so place value of 8 in 98 is, again look here, 8 is in ones place, so 8. If any number is 8, so place value of 8 in 98 is 8. Okay, next one, the place value of 9 in 98 is, now listen this one na, the place value of 9 in 98 is 90. Okay, next one, in 35 the place value of 3 is, the place value of 3 is, tell me students, now you tell me. Yes, very good, 30, and place value of 5 is 5. Okay, next one, in 72 the place value of 2 is 2, and 7 is 70. Okay, understood all of you? How will you do this question? How will you find place value of the digits in number? How will you find place value of the digit in numbers? Understood all of you na? Very good. Students, do revision of this question at your home. Okay, in next video we will start next topic. Okay, bye, thank you, have a nice day.